the idea of voice-controlled computers for a long time. They've never, to me, felt natural to use. And this one, the fluidity, the pliability, whatever you want to call it, I just can't believe how much I love using it.
The AI race has just shifted gears with U.S. artificial intelligence pioneers OpenAI rolling out their new interface that works with audio and vision as well as text.
OpenAI GPT-4o model has unlocked a new level of creativity and efficiency that can propel your online business to new heights. But how exactly can you leverage this cutting-edge technology to build a thriving online business? Let's dive in and explore the exciting possibilities. Business ideas to start with. GPT-4o. Content creation. When considering business ideas that can be started using GPT-4o, content creation is a simple and effective option. ChatGPT excels at generating both short and long pieces of content. The most capable OpenAI language model, GPT-4o Vision, has advanced natural language processing capabilities. It is skilled at understanding and producing text that is clear, relevant, and creative. This makes it an invaluable tool for high-quality text generation. It can quickly create persuasive, informative, and engaging content. Now with internet access, it can provide the latest and most up-to-date information. You can use GPT-4o to generate various types of content for your business, such as blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, video scripts, advertising copy, SEO-optimized content, and more. In addition to this, GPT-4o can summarize, review, edit, and enhance any type of written content. This means you can quickly create and refine a large amount of content with accuracy and efficiency. Educational Assistant. GPT-4o is a highly advanced AI with a large amount of knowledge, making it capable of providing information on almost any topic. It can explain concepts clearly and answer questions about various subjects, including logic and math. This AI is a valuable tool for educators and tutors because it can simplify complex topics, break down key points, and give examples to make understanding easier. GPT-4o Vision can make learning more fun and effective. It can create educational materials that mix text and pictures, making tough topics easier to grasp. For instance, it can create interactive textbooks where students can click on pictures for more information or use augmented reality to visualize historical events. As an education assistant, GPT-4 can help you improve at explaining difficult subjects, understand what students often struggle with, and find new ways to grow your educational business. Image generation business. With GPT-4o, you have an incredible opportunity to delve into the world of image generation and establish a thriving business. GPT-4o Vision combines reading and writing with understanding and analyzing images. Whether you want to create stunning graphics for advertising campaigns, design captivating illustrations for children's books, or even generate lifelike landscapes for virtual reality environments, GPT-4o has got you covered. What sets GPT-4o apart is its ability to understand images deeply. It doesn't just see pixels. It comprehends the content, context, and emotions conveyed in each image. This means you can rely on GPT-4o to not only generate visually appealing content, but also ensure that it resonates with your audience on a profound level. Web scraping and data extraction. With its advanced capabilities, GPT-4o can navigate through web pages, extract relevant information, and organize it into structured data sets. This means that you can efficiently gather valuable data from the internet for businesses without spending countless hours manually searching and collecting information. In addition to web scraping, GPT-4o can also assist businesses in data extraction from other sources, such as PDF documents, images, and databases. Its versatility makes it a very important tool for businesses looking to streamline their data collection processes and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. Website development. You can also use GPT-4o for website development through the Ouija AI tool. This tool uses the GPT-4o model to help you create an amazing website. The best part is that you don't need to have the latest technology to benefit from this advanced AI. Whether you're using an old gadget, an outdated cell phone, or an old computer, the Ouija AI tool can still help you generate a professional and functional website. This makes advanced web design accessible to more people, regardless of the age or type of their technology. Another great feature of Ouija is that you can communicate with it in the language you are most comfortable with. It can even create and publish your website in different languages. If you have guests who speak different languages, Ouija can help you create versions of your website in those languages, making it easy for everyone to understand and navigate. Coding generation services. GPT-4o, much like its predecessors, has advanced capabilities in generating code, making it a valuable tool for businesses involved in software development. With its enhanced language understanding and generation skills, GPT-4o can assist in various aspects of coding, from writing snippets to developing entire programs. This saves you time and effort. GPT-4o excels not only in understanding and creating text, but also in handling code-related tasks efficiently, such as debugging or enhancing code readability. Chatbot Development. GPT-4o can be used to develop chatbots, which offers several advantages. Firstly, GPT-4o is equipped with advanced natural language processing capabilities, allowing it to understand and respond to user queries in a more human-like manner. This can enhance the user experience, making interactions with the chatbot feel more seamless and intuitive. Additionally, GPT-4o can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to providing personalized recommendations based on user preferences and past interactions. This versatility makes it well-suited for various business applications, such as customer support, sales assistance, and even internal process automation. Travel Assistant. With GPT-4o, launching a travel agency business becomes easier than ever. This is particularly beneficial because the travel industry has seen huge growth in recent years. To stay competitive in this dynamic market, businesses need to offer personalized and enhanced experiences to their customers. One helpful tool to achieve this is the Kayak plugin, conveniently available as part of the official ChatGPT plugins. This plugin enables you to cater to individual preferences by facilitating bookings for flights, accommodations, and rentals, thereby enriching the overall travel experience. Personal Assistant. GPT-4o can help businesses by acting as a personal assistant. It can manage schedules, handle emails, and send reminders about upcoming events. By following a few steps, you can create your own personal assistant using GPT-4o to make daily tasks easier. As a personal assistant, GPT-4o can respond to emails quickly and effectively, plan and organize business trips and itineraries, summarize meetings, and help prepare presentations. Additionally, it can analyze large sets of numerical data and assist in making complex decisions related to economics, organization, and ethics. Financial Advisor. GPT-4o offers top-notch financial advice for wealth management. It dives into the details of setting financial goals, tax planning, and insurance coverage. Finance professionals and business advisors can use GPT-4o to gather comprehensive information about investment opportunities, helping to avoid potential oversights. It can provide insights into market trends, assist in risk assessment, and help create personalized financial plans. It can also analyze financial statements and reports, making it easier to understand complex financial data. With GPT-4o, you can stay informed and make smarter financial decisions. You can also use GPT-4o to analyze the stock market and track stock performance. As a professional stockbroker or advisor, you can save time by quickly understanding a stock's potential with GPT-4o. There are already custom GPTs available for this purpose, reducing the need for expensive financial advisors. However, to ensure accuracy, the application must be trained with a large amount of data. In addition, GPT-4o can provide real-time market updates, predict trends based on historical data, and offer personalized investment recommendations. How to make money with Ouija. Making money online with all these business ideas, even if you're just starting, is possible. One way to do this is by offering your services on freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms connect freelancers with people who need their skills. When you sign up, you can showcase your portfolio, which is a collection of your previous work. This helps attract clients who are interested in hiring you. You can offer any digital services on these platforms. Notably for content creation services, you can create content on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. With a growing audience, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistent, high-quality content that attracts viewers is key to building a successful channel or blog. You can also offer administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients. For website designers or developers, you can focus on creating and selling blog websites. To attract customers, offer a complete package deal. This package should include designing the blog, adding initial content, and customizing it to fit the client's needs and preferences. This way, clients get a ready-to-use blog without having to worry about the technical details. It's a convenient solution for people who want a blog but don't have the time or expertise to create one from scratch. Besides those options, you can also make and sell niche websites. These are websites that focus on specific things like events, portfolios, or industries such as coaching or fitness. You can advertise your services on different platforms and charge a price based on what you offer. You can promote your website making services on social media or even by reaching out to businesses directly. Make sure to showcase examples of your work and explain what sets your websites apart from others. When you offer something unique and valuable, you can attract clients and build a successful business making niche websites. The key is to focus on taking on smaller projects. These could be simple websites for local businesses, personal blogs, or portfolio sites. Completing these projects successfully will help you build a portfolio showcasing your skills and the quality of your work. Additionally, starting with smaller projects allows you to learn and grow without being overwhelmed. You'll gain valuable experience in managing client expectations, troubleshooting problems, and refining your design and development skills. Once you have a solid portfolio and feel confident in your skills, start expanding your services. This could mean taking on larger projects, offering additional services like SEO or content creation, or specializing in a niche market such as e-commerce or mobile app development. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.